Today's video, we're going to be unboxing the last piece of the puzzle for my streaming and YouTube setup. I stream every other day here on YouTube. So what do I have inside the box today? Well, I got myself 2 LED floodlights, and we're going to be unboxing these guys right now together. So let's do it. We're going to zoom in a little bit on the box. I got my knife here. It's a nice box opener. And let's go ahead and open up the box. Now, the reason I got these lights is because I've been feeling for a while that something is missing in my stream setup. And I couldn't figure out what it was, and I wanted to increase the look of my stream. And I just couldn't figure out the perfect way to do it, but I was just trying to figure out the best way for me to do that and which product I was going to need. So what I ended up going with was 2 60-watt RGB floodlights. Inside the box, we got some bubble wrap. Awesome, love that stuff. And we have our floodlights in one box. So we're going to get rid of the box. There it is. 2 RGB floodlights. We're going to look at the other side of the package right there. This is quite heavy. I guess this would be comparable to like a small watermelon. Why am I comparing it to a watermelon? I don't want to wait. Now, right inside of the box, the first thing you see is everything inside of its packaging. Now, these are 60 watt, and I don't know why I thought they were going to be bigger. The size doesn't matter. It's about what you do with it. Cut. Here's one remote for you. You can take a look at that remote. Oh, the only concern I'm going to have with these remotes is there's 2 of them, and I'm not sure if they're paired or if one remote can control both. We're going to have to test that out and see how that works. We got the other RGB light. Another thing we got inside of the box is a manual. Nobody reads those. This is really cool. They give you some drywall mounts and some screws if you want to put this up on your wall, because these are wall mountable. Probably leave the link in the description. Not a sponsor. 2 sets because there's 2 lights, and the box is empty. So they slide right out of the packaging here. Cool. Now, the look of this is actually very nice. Minimal edges. There is a stand on the back of this. Quite firm, it's quite stiff. So if you're gonna mount this on a wall, and these can be tightened as well, right here and right there. So if it comes loose ever, you can just tighten it back up. As you can see, this is like, I'm gonna shake this around. That is not moving anywhere. Ow! So, all in all, I have really good opinions on these lights. I'm still learning how to use them. There's only one problem that I'm going to have with these lights that you guys should know. I mentioned earlier in this video that I wasn't sure whether I was going to need to pair the remotes. Both remotes work for both of the lights. So if you want to split the color like I have right now with blue and red, you need to unplug one, set the first color, unplug that one, plug the other one in, set that color, and then you can turn them both on. I would give these 4.5 out of 5 stars. The half of a star being taken off simply because of the way the remotes work. And in about a week or 2, I'm going to be making an in-depth video on how you guys use these properly to make your stream or YouTube videos look that much better. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps push me through the algorithm. And if you really enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video.